What is up? What is crack-a-lackin', everybody? You know what? Maybe I should. You know what? Let's make that our saying. Every day we say, "What's crack-a-lackin'?" That was something my dad always says. What's crack-a-lackin'? He's always said that. He's a mountain man, as we call him. He's got a terrible country accent. It has rubbed off on me. Also, of where I live, it has rubbed off on me quite a bit. I used to be a city slicker, and now I have a partial country accent. All right, partial country accent. It comes out every once in a while, but that's from being around a lot of country people. So that's what happens. You kind of adapt. We're on the way to the gym now. It is absolutely leg day. We're going heavy. We're going fast. Our booty gonna be pounding, clapping. Bars? Wait a minute. That's funny. Shit. We got our pre-workout. I literally ate like 30 minutes ago. It's so bad because I've eaten jack shit today. I've been so lazy on eating today, and I know I need to eat even on a cut, which sucks. I like a lot of times even though like I look like this, I genuinely don't like eating. Like I really don't. I don't like eating. It's not like, oh, you just like eating unhealthy. No, I literally don't like eating. Like you could put a burger in front of me and I probably wouldn't want to eat it like today because it was just that type of day. You know, you have those days you just don't want to eat. Had a doctor's appointment. We're good to go to get on that test. I'm just playing. That wasn't what the doctor's appointment was for. It was actually for the stretch marks you guys have seen in previous videos. If that's any concern, I know sometimes it can be from like, oh yeah, I'm gaining weight, but it was so weird because I was the same weight for so long, and then all of a sudden they just popped up. So I did get a little concerned, and we had some deep purple ones and all of this other stuff that are a little bit of a side effect of like possibly some diseases like Cushing's and other stuff. But like that's why you get tested for it, and I have some friends that know doctors and other stuff, and like I did my own research. Like Cushing's doesn't happen right away, but over years of neglect, some stuff can happen, and it can become really bad where you can't lift anymore and you just can't move, and it can get really, 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 really bad. So we don't want that happening. Trying to stay healthy. Try to stay as healthy as possible. I don't really want to go to the doctor, but I'd rather prevent stuff than have to try to fix it and reverse something. Because modern medicine, sadly, is not to the point where you can reverse something. Which sucks, but it is what it is. But yeah, so we're on the way to the gym. We're gonna go crazy. But so yeah, birthday's coming up. We are less than a month away. Absolutely stoked for that. Stoke is up right now for that. Spring break trip. All my buddies are at school. I'm not at school. As I've said before, I own my own business. I self-sustain and all of that good stuff. So I wouldn't say I'm like well off. I don't really like spending my money. But for a while there, I actually did end up having a job. It's just because I just felt like I wasn't doing jack shit. So now, like to kind of like. I've been doing like some classes like online to get some certifications that actually like work. Like they're real certifications. It's not like, oh, you'll get this job. No, like they're real and they're actually really tough to get. I mean, we're talking about, 100 hours of, videos and classes and all of this good stuff. So doing that stuff now and editing these videos kind of fills that void of not working, but I do like working. I'm not just a lazy piece of shit like some of these guys and spend all my money. I literally drive a 2012 car from 2012, and so I don't really spend my money. I never really have. I always like I genuinely don't like I don't really splurge on myself. I don't buy myself clothes. Like this is from 2 years ago. My pants are from Goodwill. My shoes I got for Christmas a while back. So I don't really spend money on myself. So I mean, pre-workout that $55 damn bill every single month. Oh Lord, it's like getting a damn phone subscription. If you guys had the option to have your phone or pre-workout, would you take it? I'm taking pre-workout every time. Oh Lord, man, it is going to be a good workout. We are going to lift tons of freaking weight tonight. Tons of fucking weight. It's going to be great. Also, my video 2 days ago got 160 views. Thank you guys so much for that. Hugely appreciate it. Thank you guys for the people who subscribed and liked the video and commented. Also, all the people who follow my TikTok, it's greatly appreciated. It does take actually some time to kind of edit and post these, so and there's a lot of stress behind it. I'm not saying it's harder than a normal person's job. It's not. It's just I have a lot of difficulties with uploading with my terrible Wi-Fi. So thank you guys for that support, and hopefully we can continue to grow this channel and put a positive vibe on gym. I'm not that type of guy who like goes to the gym and is like, bro, I'm filming. No, I just go to the gym, film my progress. You know, you guys kind of got to see my progress. It really, like, for me, my story, like, you know, I just was fat as shit. And the crazy thing is I used to be super athletic, play sports. I was a 3-sport athlete at some point, you know, and then it just fell to shit. So, you know, this is the motivating the guys who kind of got out of that and now kind of gained some weight, get back in the gym. Let's get fit again, man. Let's become some DILFs. On God, though. All right, I'll see you guys in the gym. Leg day. Yeah. We're already up to 7 plates. There we go. All right, one more set. 5 reps. Oh shit. One more. Oh shit. All right, we're going for 5. Going for 5. Oh shit.
There's also 16 guys crucial round for those guys to 2 years. It's really annoying for the you're not. I'm sure I love that one.
I forgot how much. Ooh. Shit.
You got finished.
Yeah, I put the first episode. I'm like 2 seconds into intro. I didn't watch the first episode. That's that. You got that information.
Oh. 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 Fuck me. Back in the back. Fucking absolute kahunas. Sun profile. Oh my god, I can't feel my legs. I think these are some pretty good legs. We got a good start. Lifting more than your average Joe, especially this little bitch back here. Fucking little bitch back here. Ugh. But I don't know what we're gonna be hitting tomorrow. Probably back day with the same dude I was working out today.